I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to take my spare room and convert it into an open closet beauty room. I hope you enjoy. Now guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know that this room used to be my beauty room when I first moved into the house. I've got quite a few beauty room videos which I'll leave linked for you down below. I then converted it over to a bedroom, but because the room is so small, I then decided that to remove the bed in here, and I put that in the bigger bedroom, which was on my previous video where I did the DIY board and batten wall. And I then decided that it became my catch-all area, this room, and it was like, I need to make this room function. I need it back to my beauty room. I need to allow for the space to be used for practicality as well as looking pretty. Now guys, when I share these types of projects with you, I want to show you can definitely do these on a budget. Now, originally I was saying to hubby, maybe we should just get those flat pack kits of wardrobes that you can purchase from Bunnings. And for the 3 separate wardrobe pieces that I needed, it was going to cost over $1,200. And I just find that so ridiculous. So my hubby said to me, not a chance, we are going to prove to each other that we can do this for under $200. Now, we ended up purchasing 6 of these melamine sheets, guys, and when we got home we realised we overestimated and ended up taking 2 back, which helped the budget so much. Now, I'm here looking at brackets as well as picking up some rods for the curtains, as well as the brackets to hold up the rods and the brackets that we're going to use to join all the melamine pieces together. So once we were home, we took down these 2 shelves. Now, there was a little bit of damage to the wall, which off camera my husband actually fixed, and then I painted. So now here you can see that my husband's starting with the first board. Now, what we did is we sort of played around with the design a little bit. We knew it was going to be like an L shape, and originally I was going to have 2 rods, one at the top, one at the bottom, but I decided that I really liked the idea of just walking up to the clothes and then just picking something out. So that's what we're going to do here. So using those brackets, what my husband did was placed 3 brackets, one at the top, the bottom and the middle, to get the first piece up on the wall. Now, once we've got the design in place, my husband's just placing some timber underneath. So once once we got here, I was so proud of my hubby, guys. He was so adamant that he could create this for me, and the strength of this was amazing to me, just with the brackets and with some screws into the wall. It was so strong, and we were very, very aware that it had to be extremely strong when hanging clothes. So it was now time then to put up the rod, and this is where I got really excited. So we then screwed in those support brackets, and we put 2 in the middle because we wanted that extra support. So guys, I then did a Kmart run and picked up these beautiful velvet coat hangers. Now, I wanted it to be all the same, and Kmart are so inexpensive, guys. For 30 coat hangers, they were just $10 a box. Now here, my husband had fixed up the wall, and I was waiting for it to dry so I could go in and paint. But I was just playing around with the coat hangers here, guys, and my vision was definitely coming to life. Now also at Kmart, guys, I picked up these 2-pack of shelf dividers. They're clear shelf dividers, and they give such a clean line and design when it comes to the top of my wardrobe. So I picked up 3 packs of these and spaced them out at the top. Now I then had a vision for the existing wardrobe in this room. I was going to create this into a makeup room where I put my Hollywood mirror and table in here. So I removed everything out, and then I got some inexpensive Kmart contact paper, and I'm going to make the back of the wall a feature wall. Now also from Kmart, guys, I wanted the space to be extremely organised. So I picked up this beautiful jewellery box. I also picked up these gorgeous makeup brushes, and I got this little pink divider. It's like a divider for letters, but I've seen ladies use these to store their palettes, so I definitely used that as well. And I really love this makeup brush kit, guys. It comes with a little open bag for you to store all the brushes. I ended up changing my mind here and putting them in containers, but I really loved how organised that was. So are you ready, guys? I'm so excited to share this with you. Here is my DIY open closet glam beauty room. I can't tell you how excited I get when I walk in this room now. It makes my heart so happy to see it so organised. Now guys, I said to you at the beginning of the video, my husband and I wanted to do this for under $200, and our exact cost for all the materials from Bunnings was $167. So I was so happy to create this open wardrobe. Now there is a couple of things I want to still achieve here. In the existing wardrobe, my husband took off the doors, and I want to get a licensed electrician to put in a power point for me to operate my Hollywood mirror. I also want to go in and paint where the hinges were from the existing doors. I'm so excited that I stuck to budget, guys, and I was able to show you how you can do something so inexpensive when it comes to decorating your home. Now, I had an issue with storage when it comes to my clothing. I have a walk-in robe in my bedroom, but it is actually quite small. So I knew that this beautiful bedroom could be converted into an open closet, and I was so happy with how we achieved this. A big shout out has to go to my amazing hubby, who I could not do any of these projects without. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and home tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.